got an awesome condo at a 55 plus community today. We are in Wolcott, Connecticut at 2 Park Ave. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Steph, you know the drill. Take us around, show this place.
Let's go.
I love walking right in here to this really open floor plan.
And it flows right into the kitchen. There's room for a table in here, so eat-in space, and I love the cathedral ceilings. This space goes right into the living room, gas fireplace with sliders leading out to the back deck. It's an end unit, so it backs right up to the woods here. It's super private.
Let's go check out the bedroom over here. This is a pretty good size.
Yeah, and the hardwood floors lead right into the bedroom here.
And we've got across the hall a full bath with laundry.
Convenient laundry and a walk-in shower.
Love it. Okay, let's go check out that porch outside too.
So also, if you peep over here in the corner, there's this outside closet storage shed that will give you extra storage space.
And it also has a full walkout basement, so lots of storage.
Lots of storage space or great expansion space for future finishing.
You've got a great condo here. If you're looking to get a private tour, hit Stephanie up. Her contact information is on the screen. If you're looking for some financing options, hit me up. I am here to help. My contact information is there too. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this has been your local look. We're out of here.